Alright guys, I'm running Sir Josh. He's got this really cool looking custom Brewers and Packers flag here. You got to meet up with him to pick it up. 24 spots at 3. We're going to go live. And we are live. 7:05 a.m. Saturday, February 24th. And February 24th, 7:05 a.m. we're going to grab the list. 24 spots. Alright, 24 spots, 24 entries. We got Michael on the bottom and John on top. We are going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 10. We're going 10 times. Good luck. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9 times. Dice shows a 10. Next click is the winner. Good luck. And 10. Congrats to Paulo, spot number 18. You are the winner. Get in touch with Josh and get your custom-made flag. We are done. 7:06 a.m. We will go back. We will type done. We are done. 7:06 a.m. 7:06 a.m. Here is the timestamp and the verification.